Okay, today we're going to crack a code. It's hidden inside some of the most common medical terms you hear. And you know what? It's just a tiny four-letter prefix. But I promise, once you get it, you'll start to see the language of medicine in a completely new light.
So, let me ask you a question. What on earth does a raging fire have to do with a fever? It kind of sounds like a riddle, doesn't it? But believe it or not, the answer connects that hot, flushed feeling you get when you're sick directly to the ancient root of the word.
You know, we all know that feeling. The chills, the heat, we just call it a fever. But if you're in a clinical setting, you're going to hear a much more, well, technical term for it. And that term is pyrexia. Yeah, it sounds pretty complex, maybe even a little intimidating. But really, it's just the medical word for a fever. Nothing more than an abnormally high body temperature. And hiding right inside this word is the secret we're about to uncover. All right, let's crack this thing open. The word pyrexia actually holds the master key to understanding a whole family of medical terms. Let's just break this word apart for a second. See? If we focus on just those first four letters, P-Y-R-O, that's it. We found our key. This little prefix, this is everything. And there it is. Pyro actually comes from the ancient Greek word for fire. So in medicine, it means heat or fever. That's the link. Just remember that. Pyro equals heat or fever. And with just that one piece of knowledge, a whole world of medical language is about to open up for you. So now that you have this key, let's test out your new superpower. You're about to see how this one little piece of information lets you instantly decode other complex-sounding medical words. It's actually pretty cool. For instance, take the word pyrogen. We know pyro means fever, and gen kind of sounds like generate, right? Well, a pyrogen is exactly what it sounds like. It's a substance that generates a fever. See? Simple. Or how about this one? A pyrogenic reaction. Well, it's a reaction that generates pyro, a fever. This can actually happen in a hospital if, say, contaminated IV fluids are used. The cause and effect are baked right into the name itself. Okay, so what about the medicine you take to lower a fever? Well, we all know anti means against, so an antipyretic is just something that works against pyro, against the fever. That's what medications like acetaminophen and ibuprofen are. They're antipyretics. You've been using them your whole life.
So, we've decoded a few words now, but if you only remember one thing from this entire explainer, please make it this.
Here it is, the big one, the crucial point. Pyro refers to fever or heat. That's it. From now on, whenever you see it, your brain should immediately connect it to fire, heat, or fever. That right there is the master key that unlocks all of these terms. So now I'm going to turn the question back to you. With this key in your pocket, what other words can you decode? I mean, think about something like pyrotechnics or even pyromaniac. The connection is suddenly crystal clear, isn't it? Keep that key handy and just keep exploring.